begin with the grilled cheese sandwich. We have our bread, we have our Swiss cheese, we have our olive oil, and the Granny Smith apple. But before we start, we're going to try a nice piece of this Swiss cheese, wash it down with some beautiful vino. Now I got the fuel to get this fire going. So in this recipe, we're going to grate the cheese instead of using slices. And it's very important that you slice them very, very thin. So as always, I have an entourage who watches my every step, and me and Bruno have an apple thing that we do every night. So as soon as you see me cutting the apples, as you can hear him, he's right here. So let's give him a little treat. Are you ready for an apple, big boy? Beautiful. So we're going to lightly brush olive oil on the outside of the bread. And we place the oiled side down. Start spreading the apple. The Swiss cheese. Oh, this looks good already. Oh, shit. And then we will brush more oil on the outside of the top piece. Out of the fire and into the frying pan.
It looks fantastic.
Before we move on any further, something very important we need to do. The glasses don't look right. They need a little bit of beefing up. So,
grazie, grazie.
a little bit for you.
Sempre, you know the rest.
A little bit for me. Sempre duro, up the irons. Oh, very nice.
Oh, fantastic.
So, like I said earlier, we're doing the Swiss grilled cheese with apple and the pork chops alla pizziola. So, what did you want to start with first, Sammy? The grilled cheese?
I kind of really want to try that because I've never tried that before.
So, this is the first time for the both of us.
Cheers. Salute.
Oh,
That's fantastic.
you know, I would have never thought to put apple in this, but it gives it a really nice.
It's not overpowering.
No, it's wow, that is very interesting. Really, really good. Very simple, but
I love
wow, that's really good.
That's fantastic. Holy.
Well, Switzerland, thank you very much.
I hope the Swiss don't play as good as this tastes. Because if they do, we're in trouble.
Okay, so that was.
I want to finish that off. It's so
Finish it.
tasty.
Finish it.
This is so good. I gotta finish it off.
So that was very good. Very different. Very easy to make, obviously, and it's definitely worth it. Obviously, you can add some cinnamon if you wanted to. You can add some salt and pepper if you wanted to, but that was very basic and simple. It turned out very fantastic.
Delicious.
As always, up the irons. Till next time. All right, buddy. Let's finish this up.
Let's do it. Let's eat.